YouTube channel. Got some real interesting content ready for you guys today. Now, living down in the Virgin Islands, specifically St. Thomas, I've been going for many summers. I'm going down to John Brewer's beach, and there's a cave I've seen from since I was young. I was always curious to know what was in there. I've hiked up there a couple times, never got to go in. The couple times we planned to go, we were thinking about rappelling down from the top because it looked kind of hard to climb up from the bottom. But today, what I'm gonna do is take my drone up there and see what's actually in the cave. And I actually bought some special guards for the drone that I can actually fly inside the cave and see what's inside. I've heard there are bats. So hopefully there's something more than bats that we can find in there today. All right, see you guys later. Alright guys, I don't know how much of this the camera could catch, but got my drone stuck up the hill when I was trying to get some good footage for you guys. At the bottom of the cave, there was a tree right there, so here's where we go in the bushes to go up the hill to go get it. So this is going to be an impromptu trek up this path, straight up a mile up, come back down. A journey of 1,000 miles begins one simple step. All right, here we go. All right, guys, we made it. Not sure the time. There's a cave right up there. And there's the drone. All right. Where is it? My hands are moving so much, but you should be able to see the LED. All right, guys, what's up? I know this is future Marky Mark, just giving you guys an update on the status of my drone. My drone is A-OK. I wasn't able to retrieve it that very same night because it was so far up the tree. It was about 10 to 15 feet out of reach. Thankfully, the very next day I was able to go up with a friend who gave me the idea of breaking off a branch of a tree little tree that was close by and using it to knock the drone out of the tree, where we were able to then recover it. Due to the fact that I actually had the guards on the drone, it didn't have it escaped being unscathed without any kind of damage, and I was up and drone the very next day after a little charge. So just want to say a big shout out and thanks to you guys for watching the channel, supporting the channel. If you haven't liked and subscribed as yet, please do so today. Looking forward to bringing you more interesting content. Actually looking up, if I post this video on Friday, I'm looking forward to seeing some of you guys to come out tomorrow morning if you can at 7 o'clock. We're actually meeting at John Brewer's to go up to that same cave, a little hike. It's about a 20 to 30 minute hike going up. Make sure you bring your little water, peanut butter and jelly sandwich, something to replenish your energy once we get to the top. Once we get back down, we'll go for a swim in John Brewer's Bay, alright? Should be decent weather tomorrow, so once again, we'd like to see you guys out there if you're able to make it, alright? Peace up, be out, VI to the world, alright? One love.